Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can add the background to the text, like a background color in Adobe Premiere 2019. So let's go. First, what you need is to have a text in your video. Now click on your text and go to Graphics, New Layer and Rectangle. And when you have it, let's choose it. Let's go and create it and paste it on your ocean or your text. You can add a fill and let's change the color to, I don't know, black, and stroke will be also black. Now what you want to do is to close everything down and you will have here the shape. So shape, fill, okay. And now what you want to do is to just take the shape and paste it right above the text. Now what will happen that you can see it right there. Or there is a second option I want to show you. Or I mean, this is fine. Yeah, but the second option is this. Let's delete everything. Again, holding text, go to Graphics, New Layer, Rectangle. Let's paste it behind the text. And now, when you're gonna grab the ocean, you will first grab the graphic. Wait a second. How was it? How was it? Oh, I knew what I did wrong here. I'm going to show you. Don't have targeting ocean. Have nothing targeted and create then the graphic. Oh, that's what I did wrong. I understand now. This is what you do. I get it now. I had a I was targeted in the ocean, and then what happened that it created a rectangle on ocean, but I wanted to create the graphic beneath the ocean, so I had to click away, then go to Graphics, New Layer and Rectangle, and no clicking on ocean and then going to Graphics, New Layer. So this is how we make it. This is how we make the background to text. I know this video was a little bit clumsy, but I don't want to delete it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody and goodbye. Peace.